Welcome to this tutorial on how to cancel your Hulu subscription. Start by opening the Hulu website using your computer or mobile browser. Log into your account with your email and password. Once you are logged in, go to your account page. Now scroll down until you see the section called Your Subscription. Here, look for the Cancel option. If you see Cancel, click on it. Hulu may ask if you want to pause your subscription instead. If you do not want to pause, select Continue to Cancel. You will then be asked to confirm your choice. Click on Cancel Subscription to finish. If Hulu is billing you directly, you will see a message saying your subscription will be cancelled. You will also get a confirmation email. Make sure to keep that email for your records. Even after cancelling, you can keep watching Hulu until your current billing period ends. If you are on a free trial, you can watch until the trial ends. But if you are using Hulu Plus Live TV with a free trial, it will end right away after cancellation. If you are billed by a third party like Apple, Roku, or Verizon, the steps might be different. To find out who is billing you, check your payment information on the Hulu account page. Then follow the cancel instructions from that billing partner. If you only want to remove add-ons or change your plan, you do not need to cancel. You can also pause your subscription for up to 12 weeks if you just want a short break. For any other help, visit the Hulu Help Center or contact your billing service. That's how you cancel your Hulu subscription.